here. Hopefully there's no water in the system. If there is, it's all good. Because we're right outside, baby.
Yes, ma'am. So this is like where your water will stop, basically. It'll go through the whole house and end right here. And it can't go back through, basically. Of course. Oh, man, don't say that. It'll happen, but I'm not waiting on it. Okay. Turn the water back on and check this out. Perfect. I'm gonna grab my little broom real quick for that. Save your coffee, guys. It's a little savings account, basically.